you guys are friends, magkakatrabaho kayo.
Siyempre.
Di ba?
Oo naman.
Pero anong feeling na magkakalaban kayong tatlo sa isang singing contest? Gusto ko munang kausapin si Kuya Betong. Sa isang singing contest, side by side with Hannah and John Rex, Kuya Bets.
Well, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala talaga na nandito talaga ako. Pero this is a mind-boggling and adrenaline-pumping experience.
Mind-boggling.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Tama. Hannah?
Hindi ako talaga, si Rex kasi lagi ko nang nakakasamang kumanta. Kay Kuya Betong talaga ako kinabahan.
Na-pressure ka sa kanya,
Talaga
di
ba,
ba?
Hannah?
Oo, mas kinabahan ako. Andyan si Miss Ko, given
Siyempre
na
si Miss
kinabahan
Ko.
ako. Pero dito talaga ako.
Iba yung presence. Amazing
Oo naman.
talaga.
Hannah,
Grabe.
Ikaw, John Rex.
Actually, pareho kami ni Hannah. Kasi nga, nung last Sunday, si Buboy yung nanalo.
ah yes, so bububoy, congrats.
So may tinatago siyang, alam mo yun?
Oo.
So, baka to si...
Parang,
Grabe to
di ba,
eh.
Buboy, tapos Betong, baka maging bubble gang na to, no? Oo.
Take over.
Alam mo, gagawin na namin segment ito sa
Tama. Parang ito na yung
Joke
next
lang,
career
joke
niyang bubble gang. Anyway, Miss Koo, please do join us here on stage. Well, now it's time para marinig natin ang desisyon ng ating icon sa tatlong performances na nagpabilib sa ating lahat. Kanino ang pinaka-umangat at dapat ninyong makasama sa isang special performance, Miss Koo?
Ang gagaling nila.
Good
Nahihiya ako.
problem, good
Nahihiya ako
problem.
na iisa lang ang pipiliin ko. Ang galing nilang lahat. Truly. Ang napili ko bilang Sing My Song winner, I see... Ang napili ko bilang Sing My Song winner, I see... Hindi ko maano. Si John Rex.
Congrats, Jan Rex! Sabi ko na nga.
Congratulations, John Rex! Ikaw ay aabante sa ating unang semifinals for Sing My Song. Grabe, coming from Miss Koo.
Kaya nga.
How do you feel?
Well, bilang grabe, Miss Koo Ledesma, an icon, at napili ako. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. But the two are also...
Yes, for sure.
Thank you,
You're
Miss Koo.
also winners. Ang galing. You're really all good.
Oh, nahirapan ka
talaga.
talaga, Miss Koo, no? We felt that.
Actually, I want them all to win.
Oh. But thank you
Pwede bang
so
ganon?
much.
Ganon na lang,
Kung
oh.
pwede lang
Pwede.
talaga, Miss Koo. Miss Koo, thank you so much po for your time sa pagpapaunlak ng
Thank you rin
imbitasyon
for having
namin.
me here.
Thank you.
Really.
And as a simple way of honoring you, here's a special message mula sa iyong number one fan.
Oh.
What makes me so proud about my mom isn't just the fact that she's achieved so much in life. She's done wonderful big shows, she's created wonderful venues and places. But you know what? It's not just that. It's the fact that when she does a show tour abroad and she just continues to create and serve God through all these wonderful avenues she's created for herself, and she takes hold of these opportunities and she lives this life of perseverance, consistency, and endurance that I believe truly dedicates herself to the Lord and devotes herself to Him in such a way that is truly worthy to be praised.
Ay, ang sarap naman marinig ng message na yon from your daughter. Miss Koo, do you have anything to say to her?
Well, she knows how much I love her and she knows that I'm her number one fan, actually. Yun ang totoo. And I don't want her to forget that she's such an amazing artist.
Aww.
And huwag niyong papabayaan yung kanyang talent na binigay ng Diyos sa kanya. That's why I'm her number one pusher.
Oh, we really
Pusher
feel
ako.
that.
Oo.
That you're so
I'm
proud
the
of her.
encourager. Oo. And I think every talented Pinoy singer, you should really practice, get training. Wag tayong pabaya sa mga binibigay na regalo ng Diyos sa atin. Because the world is already getting to know how fabulous the Filipino singers are.
Yes. That is so true. Thank you, Miss Koo. We needed that. And if you have anything to promote, Miss Koo, any upcoming concerts, your social media shows, anything?
Yes. Well, we have a new venue. It's called Arte. It stands for arts, restaurant, theater, entertainment at Hacienda Isabela. And we have the Constant Garden Cafe. It's together. So we're going on the 31st. It opens with the Music and Magic Show, January 31 and February 1. Don't miss it. It's going to be a fantastic show because we are preparing even the stage just for this show.
Wow, arte. Wow.
Arte. Actually, dapat ang pronunciation is Acte.
Arte.
Oo,
Mm, ganun pala
Dapat
yun.
ang pangalan nun, Arte mo.
Maarte
Pero
talaga
you'll have
ako.
to say it this way. Acte mo.
Arte.
Hindi, wag na. Wag na kasi magugulo.
Thank you so
Arte
much,
na
Miss
lang.
Ku. Thank you. We'll be